Well, it's now middle of the night, and here it is. And it's under a tarp, but it's a great looking little car. Fuck yeah. Da-na-na-na-na. G'day. This is a Morris Marina 1975 1.3 liter Coupe Deluxe. And it's the new project car. I need to get the engine running because it currently doesn't run. I need to get it through inspections. And after that, it's gonna get a little body work done, and it needs love and attention. Right on with it then. That is the 1.3 liter engine, and it is, I mean, it's fairly good shape on this. I mean, it's, the interior is very nice. The seat has been covered. We have wool in the back. They will sit fine back there, but look at that dash. I mean, does it scream the 70s with fake plastic leather and clutches? So we need to pull an engine. Well, it hasn't been running very long. See if you can see 11,890. It could have clocked over, but looking at the state of everything, I mean, these were I haven't seen one ever, because they were just rust buckets. And this has, I mean, that's a little bit everywhere. I mean, small spots all around. But for a car, that's a good patch. I mean, you can hardly see you bondoed that. I mean, everything is there. It's no rust there. Hardly any rust here. This is what he undercoated it with. So it's just, it's nothing. That's dirt, I think. No, it's something. But yeah, nothing a little bit of fixer-upper can do, but for all intents and purposes, I mean, it's great. Look at that. Rust. But in all intents and purposes, I mean, it's, and the headliner is still there, untouched. These need a bit of clean, but they still stay up. So yeah. Right, we need to get this engine running. Well, I'll be pushing it all the way here, so I can at least try to fire it up. This little engine, which I haven't seen the light of day for very, very long time. Hello! That is very sketchy. Right. It spins over at least. I tried it last. It spins over. It's a very small engine, so it usually works pretty well. I will get the spark plugs away and put some oil in it so it doesn't run dry, and put some fluid to the carburetor, see if it fires off. I got a battery, so I'll just plug it into the cable somewhere. I should really clean up this mess, but I'm too eager to do anything else. And I would like to see this pop off. Really. Come on. Ah! No, it's stuck. Ah, here we go. 1, 2. Whoops, sorry. I don't know if you can see anything. 3. Oh, you got hot. You got real hot somehow. All right, that's not good. See if that's real one. Yes. Off. 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 Let's see if I can get these spark plugs and see how everything is. If there's any water in this. If they're pretty got new spark plugs. You're foul, but all right. Number 1 was fine. Number 2, fouled, but all right. Number 3, a lot of carbon. Isn't that bad? All right. Let's get some penetrating fluid down there. I'll get some oil. I think some 2-stroke will do. Get some 2-stroke oil. Down the yap, just to get if the valves are stuck or something like that. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. That will do. Number 1, number 2. Here we go. Number 3. You got more than the rest, but that's only because I like you more. And number 4. There we go. That's some in there at least. Let's turn it over. And it's oil all over the floor. Let's see if I can spin this over a little bit in the direction of the fan. I should really just check if I can see the pistons, if I can find my lamp. You spin so good. Just gets up in there, over under. I don't know if you can see anything, but that's good enough. Should I take a wire wheel to this? I should. Be right with you. Right, everything is back. Now let's get some jumper wires and get this on. And see if it at least turns over by itself. Right, let's try this with jumper cables because I don't know anything else. Let's see if I get some power in the house. Right, let's see. Hey! At least the light turns on. Let's see if it turns over. Nope, it doesn't. Well, it isn't a polar thing. Does the horn work? Hey, the horn works. Hey, this is a keeper. Does the radio work? Well, the knob turns. Oh. Hey! I mean, far from it doesn't run. We're getting there. Well, let's get under and see what I can see. And I picked the only lamp which doesn't have any battery. I should really just get there is some. Well, there's a lot more than the other one. Oh, right. I do have a lot of trust in something I haven't really seen, which is the rear brakes. But look at this. I mean, I seen worse. Or have I? I don't know, but there ain't a speck of rust. He has really, really been taking care of this. I mean, really. Because everything is coated in restoration. But it's a lot of mud. There is a lot of mud. And as I said, I have to pull this engine to get to the case. But everything seems... Oh, you're off. Oh, you are missing. That's not good. Oh, well, not what we're here for. We're here for that. And it's a Lucas starter. And that seems well in order. Well, I have to pull this no matter what. See if I can get this to run on the bench, because if I can get this to run on the bench, I can get this to run on it later. Well, the starter is out and everything was connected to one post. That worries me. And I found a tab which wasn't connected to anything, but I found some wires in there that was supposed to be connected to that, so that could be the problem. But let's see if this starter will start, I guess.